Hello again, it's Nick Baycott from KC95, and I'm at Weber Chevrolet, and once again with Mike. Good to see you again, Mike.
Good to see you.
Mike's here to explain a little bit about the safety features on the Chevy Cruze.
Best job in the world I have, Nick, is being shop foreman because I get to interact with customers. I get to interact with my mechanics. We always kind of discuss safety as a tough thing to define. For some folks, it's being able to drive carefree, just turn the key and go. For others, they want to participate a little bit in. So the new Cruze is just an amazing vehicle. From our first thing that we hit the road, we hit the tires. Winter has been tough this year. So when you're coming in for your certified service, we're able to look at things maybe with a little different perspective than the average guy. Chug holes, broken pavement can really take its toll. And this winter, believe me, as light as it's been, a fair amount of things crop up. So we're able to attack that and strip the car off and do something real quick with a technician. Going into brakes, we have never had the technology that is so precise on this small of a car. Analog brakes can get you out of so much trouble. And if you've had a car, say in the last 3 years, and you haven't really operated the ABS, you need to kind of find a good old stretch of road and just really hammer down on it and feel the difference. It is dramatic. It's not as intrusive coming into the car. Working our way back up. Airbags, which is usually paramount in people's safety. It's not a device that you have to do anything for. It self-senses. I've got alignment points when you put your seatbelt on that adjust to fit everybody. If you're a big guy, you're a little guy, you can find a good comfort zone. In the old days, it would just come across your neck. Our passenger seat, of course, has a device that picks up if you're a big guy or a little guy. So there's nothing you have to do. One of the things, and it's silly, but I really, really enjoy, is the electronic version of lock out of the back doors. If you got a little guy or another size guy and you don't want them getting out of the car, with one button, you can keep the windows from going up and down and the locks being operated from inside the car. So that the adult gets out, they get control of it and get you in and out of the car safely. Latch is another thing that we kind of like to talk about briefly. It's the lower attachment tether system for child safety seats. There's so many options there, we can't really discuss it, but that's something you can do. But the car is equipped with it, so you can make it nice and safe. Moving on back to the car, we still have our good old trunk release in there. It's now glow in the dark. It's just beautiful.
Just in case.
In case someone of size would get back there, you can get out of the car very safely and easy. So in general, it is just amazing that they have so many good features in this car. At a good entry-level price. Again, I got some pretty sharp guys. They make my job easy, so when we come in, we appreciate the opportunity, but we can stop a lot of conditions that you may not know about. Real quick, gentleman came in last week, didn't drive at night. Headlight was out. It's a simple thing, but when the tech caught it, we was able to address it, and the guy went down the road, so it makes a sense of pride to be able to keep the car going, and that's what we do.
You can only drive so long with your brights on to make it look like you have two headlights.
Absolutely.
That'll catch up to you.
No cheating.
So, the Chevy Cruze, safe from the ground up. And thank you very much, Mike.
Good to see you.
Appreciate it. That's Mike from Weber Chevrolet, and I'm Nick Baycott from KC95. Tune in next time. All right, hey folks, don't forget a little reminder about the Weber Chevrolet smartphone app. With a click of a button, you can not only schedule appointments and find the location that's nearest to you, they'll also notify you when maintenance is required on your vehicle. The smartphone app from your Weber Chevrolet dealer.